Hey y'all, as I stated earlier, I would be back with some more Wendy tea today, but I had to make sure that I added up all the receipts and everything added up correctly. Now this is a tough equation. Let's see if we can put our heads together and figure this one out. Subscribe and be sure to hit that like bell to stay up to date on all of the juicy info. Okay, y'all, so multiple media outlets are claiming that the Wendy Williams Show released a statement saying the Wendy Williams Show is taking a previously scheduled spring break hiatus, airing repeat episodes during the week of April 1st. The show will return with original episodes on April 8th. Now today, a story has been circulating from the Daily Mail that stated Wendy Williams was hospitalized after being found in a drunken state. All right, y'all, so we're gonna break down their story along with the receipts that I was able to find and see how everything adds up in this equation. Okay, y'all, so this is coming directly from the Daily Mail. The 54-year-old checked herself out of the sober living home in Long Island City, Queens on Monday afternoon and started drinking, eventually being found by her team who took her to the hospital to sober up. It's understood the star's sober coach, who had been with her 24 hours a day, raised the alarm. Now, a studio source told DailyMail.com she was in a bad way and disappeared from the studio after her show Monday. She went back to the sober house only to check herself out and decided to start drinking. Now, it's not clear where she went out to, but she was headed in the direction of her home in Jersey. Now, the Daily Mail goes on to say that word got back to the studio and there was panic and concern. Everyone was looking for her. No one knew whether there would even be a show today. She was eventually found and she was drunk and immediately taken to the hospital. Now, all of this is according to the Daily Mail. Okay, so then the Daily Mail releases a video, I guess, as supporting evidence of their claims. But you know me, I had to do my research, I had to collect the receipts and see what was really going on. Now, I noticed that the video that the Daily Mail released showed Wendy and I'm assuming her sober coach leaving some type of facility, but it was not a hospital as they stated. After doing my research, I found out that that building was actually the building across the street from her studio. It's the building in which she does her Pilates. All right, so since I was not able to actually get any type of footage or any type of solid confirmation that she actually did go to the hospital or was hospitalized in any kind of way, I did not want to report that. All I want to do is just simply give you the information that was put out there by the Daily Mail and then let us add up the receipts and see how this equation plays out. Let's take a moment and examine this footage. Now, the Daily Mail goes on to state, Wendy is considering divorcing Kevin. She's distraught over the situation. She knew about Sharina, but didn't think a baby would arrive. She didn't think Kevin would go this far. So there's definitely a lot being reported on Wendy. It's hard to sort through what are the facts, what is, just hearsay, what are rumors, what's the real tea, what's the real deal. It's really hard to try to decipher what the real deal is, but I will definitely be following this story very closely and I will definitely keep you guys posted. Let's talk about this in the comments. Thanks for watching. Peace.
How you doing? A freaking mess.
Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Catch you next time. Peace.